Today I'm going to show you how to use some free grid templates on your reference images. Hey everybody, on the live stream over the weekend, people were asking about the grid I had on my reference image. So I put together some free templates that you can download over on Patreon under the free membership. The link is down in the description for that. The templates are super easy and simple to use, so let me show you how. Okay, so we have our reference image opened up here. Any application where you can work within multiple layers, these grids are going to work. I'm working in Photoshop here. Somebody in the live stream over the weekend said they use GIMP and can do the same thing. GIMP is free, and there might be some other options out there. I built these grid templates so they would display as 1x1 inch squares over your reference image. So the key for them to display correctly is your dots per inch in your reference image needs to match the grid. I have 3 different templates: 72 dots per inch, 150 dots per inch, and 300 dots per inch. So the first thing you want to know is what the dots per inch is on your reference image. So in Photoshop, you go up to Image and then Image Size. And then here we see the resolution is 300 pixels per inch. Pixels per inch and dots per inch are the same. Now where you find this information may be a little bit different depending on what program you're working on, so you'll have to search it out. So since we know our reference image is 300 dots per inch, we're going to open our 1x1 inch 300 dots per inch grid. And that opens up in a second canvas here. And all I'm going to do is drag that over. We'll just rotate this and then match it up in this corner up here. These are all now perfect 1x1 inch squares. Now just to show you, if we were to open up the 72 dots per inch grid and we dragged that over to a 300 dots per inch reference image, you can see these are way too small. Now if your reference image is at an odd dots per inch, like let's say 190, what I would do here, since I don't have a template at 190, what you can do instead is shrink your image down to 150 dots per inch. And now we open up our 150 dots per inch grid, drag that over, rotate it, and we match that up in the corner. And now those are a perfect 1x1 inch because the reference image and our grid are both 150 dots per inch. If you have any additional questions on how to use these, drop them down in the comments, and I hope this helps on your next drawing.